gon' look guilty. When you know you innocent. Cali Jackson, I'ma take it to trial. We don't do sentences. I'm in my vibe. Okay, let's go and slide. We'll go to a vibe. Don't go and hide. Cause you gon' look guilty. When you know you innocent. I'ma take it to trial. We don't do sentences. I'm in my vibe. I'm in my vibe. I'ma take it to trial. Yeah. I'm in my vibe. I'm a cat. When the last time you had a trap house? Never. These niggas cap like the Letterman's letter. I got to get you to break on the platter. I done neglected this, but I can do better. How did the sweater but colder the weather? If I make it run, you gon' need an umbrella. Been listening to X, your bitch know the business. You jump at the porch, I kick those on high fences. Ain't going wild in these trenches. Do the child run around in these trenches. Pray on cop from a sinner. Young girl selling pussy in the tank top. The only way to hear the word is a detox. Young fiends going crazy over re-rock. Run to my door, drop her on the whole block. This is that testimony. They snitching, they extra phony. I don't know nothing, I'ma take it.
What's going on, man? I'm out here, man, on the big dog today, man, with this Hayabusa. I'm gonna mess around with this Hayabusa today, man. I'm gonna jump on it, man. People still ask me, man, do I still ride this thing, man? I can't never stop riding this joint, man. This joint's so right. I had to wait for the weather to get right out here, man. Let it warm up a little bit, man, to jump on this thing, man. But I'm out here, man. I had to pull it out, man, knock the dust off of it, man, you know what I'm saying? I gotta hit the expressway, man. I might hit downtown, man, something like that, man, on this Hayabusa, man. Stay tuned, man, see what I got for you today, man. This thing out here, man, I'm gonna make some noise, man, to see what this thing will do, man. Man, I'm out here about to hit the highway, hit the expressway, man, with this Hayabusa. Man, I might be a little bit rusty. Hey, this thing feel good, man. I'm gonna tell you that right now. There's a big difference between this Hayabusa and that Spider. Man, with that Spider, I can relax, man, lean back, man. I can, man, text somebody, man, messing with my phone or whatever, man. With this Hayabusa, man, it's both hands on. But you really gotta watch out, man, and pay attention and see what's going on around you. One of these sports bikes. Big difference in speed and everything. Man, I'm gonna jump on this highway, on this expressway. Man, just get a little wind in. Yes, sir. Man, shifting them gears. Hey, I need a quick shift on this Hayabusa, man, like I got on that Spider. And man, ooh, we ain't no telling how fast I go, man. If I had that quick shifter, man, that button you just push like on the Spider, oh my goodness, man. Hey, boy, I'll be able to, man, set some records or something, man, with this thing. I'm telling you now, man, 'cause this thing here, it'll go. Spider got a 1300 motor. This got a 1300 motor, man, but it's a big difference, man. I'm gonna tell you that right now. It's different. You know what I mean? The Spider got a bigger sprocket and everything. I guess that's got to be the major difference, because it won't nearly go as fast as this Hayabusa. But it definitely got power, though. You twist the throttle on that Spider, it will go. People just don't ride it like that. Or it'll go just like a Riker. But this right here, when you twist the throttle, man, it's really gonna go. So it's a big difference. You definitely got to be aware of what's going on, man, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna hit this expressway. Just gives me some wind therapy. That's all I need, man. Knock the dust off this Hayabusa. Let's get it. Man, it's hard to keep my head up when I'm riding in this position. Hard for you to see on the camera. So I just got the speed on. Jack. Man, you see my speedometer got me going 81. The speedometer on my phone said 81. The speedometer on my bike said 120. Man, it's definitely not accurate on my phone. I don't think it's for like calculating the speed for a sports bike. It really like for cars, maybe for cars it'll be a little bit more closer than the speed that you're going. Down here in Harbor Town, man, down here in Memphis. Right by the bridge, by Mud Island. Right. Let's go down here under the bridge and see what's going on. Jump off this thing real quick, man. I'm just gonna stretch my legs down here, man, under the bridge. I always like to come down here, man, get some good pictures and good videos down here, man, under the bridge. Man, I'm just out here on this Hayabusa today, man, just messing around. Man, I gotta get some major wind out here, man, you know what I'm saying? This is why I like to come, man, under the bridge, man, to just chill out, man. I put this thing on here, man. You know, like I said, man, people be asking, I still ride it, man. Hell yeah, I still ride it, man. It's way more comfortable, man, riding a Spider, like, to me. You know what I mean? So, a lot more comfortable. Man, I can relax, you know, I ain't riding a Spider. I can mess with my phone, man, anything I got to do, man. It's hands-on with this Hayabusa, man. You're going to get on this thing, you really got to be paying attention to everything, man, because the speeds that you're going, you know what I mean? You don't need no mistakes, man. So, it's major. It's a big difference when riding this and on that Spider. Like I always tell people, man, I like the Spider better. That's why I got the Spider. Cause it's laid back, man, you know what I mean? So with this, you really gotta pay attention, man, watch what you're doing. Man, the brakes is different, man. You're going at a higher speed than what you would normally go, you know what I'm saying, on one of the 3-wheel bikes. So, man, I feel a lot safer on the Spider, like to me, you know what I mean? So, hey, but it do look good. Man, I still ride it, man. I still get out here, man. Hey, you don't want none, man, I'm telling you. Hey, this thing will go, man, you know what I'm saying? I had my ECU flash with more Mafia, man. I went down to South Carolina. I did that drag racing class they got down there, man, at Chris Moore Mafia down there, man. Chris Moore. They got the drag racing school, man. I did that before. That was something new, you know what I'm saying? And man, it was a big change, big difference, man, you know what I mean? So, hey, it's all good, man. I still ride this thing. Man, I'm still out here, man. I keep it looking good. One thing I definitely do, man, if I don't do nothing else, man, I'm gonna wipe it off, shine it up, man, and do whatever, man, you know what I'm saying? It's always gonna be looking good, so man, I definitely had to put it out there. Just had to do a little short video, man, for the day. Man, you know what I mean? People keep asking, man, hey, I'm still looking to ride with them Hayabusa guys, man, you know what I'm saying, man? I was down at bike night, you know what I'm saying? Hey, they say they ready, man, so we gonna see, man. If I can ride with the other Hayabusas, man, I'm definitely looking for to get that video in, man. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Hey, it's hard to do a video with a sports bike, man, because everybody going fast, man, you know what I'm saying? You got to keep up with the pack. With the 3-wheel, you know, everybody just chilling, man, you know, you can just ride. But with the sports bike, hey, people gonna get it in, man. They gonna take off, you know what I'm saying, from the pack. So you got to keep up with the pack, man. You gonna ride with the sports bike. I'm gonna tell you that right now, man. So, man, I'm gonna jump back on this thing, man. Like I said, I'm just doing a little man, video out here, man, to show people, hey, I still got it, man. It's still out here. Man, I'm gonna jump back on it. Man, get back across the bridge. Might go to my partner house to see what he doing over there, man. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, you want something, man, let me know, man. You don't want none of this right here, man. I'm gonna tell you now, man. Hey, this joint to go, man. Man, that wind feel good too. Hey, it's just the time for this Hayabusa. Man, this thing kick out some major heat. But when it's cool outside at night, man, I like to pull it out. Man, enjoy it when the sun go down, something like this, man. That way it really feeling good. It'll keep down some of the heat, man, that this thing be kicking off. I get around this corner up here, man, to turn this thing up. I'm gonna see what it can do. I'll be able to turn it up like a straight shot. with for the day. Man, I had to feed some speed to this Hayabusa, man, to get it out there, man. You know what I'm saying? Knock the dust off of it. It's all good, man. Like, comment, subscribe, man, on them videos. Man, you know what I'm saying? Let me know how you like that Hayabusa. Man, what I need to do to it, man. You want to know, man, if you can go faster than this Hayabusa, man. I want to know that too, man. So, hey, let me know in the comment section, man. Derek out with another video, player. Peace out. Bip, I need you to say like, comment, subscribe on this video.
Like, comment, subscribe. And if you don't, I got a fucking problem with it.